Welcome back, guys. A lot has happened on our home, so I decided to film an update. But before that, here's a recap on our house. We are building a 4,200 square foot house on 5 acres. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3.5 car garage. It has a media room, office, formal dining, and flex room. Best part about it, it'll be worth $1 million when it's all said and done, and I'm paying 40% off of that by building it myself. Since my last video, we have dried it in, installed all our windows, installed temporary doors, installed a rough HVAC, rough plumbing and fireplaces, and soon to be electrical. Enough of me, here's the house. So coming down the hallway on this side of the house, we have a few bedrooms, media room, flex room. Here's our guest bedroom. It's a 12 by 12 typical. We have our Jack and Jill restroom here that we'll be sharing with our bedroom 3, I believe it is. And, typical just restroom. Here's another bedroom, or the other side of that bedroom has 2 double windows coming out. Here's our flex room where our kids are going to be able to do homework and all that other stuff. Here's a bathroom. I need to add a wall here. We did some last minute changes. Here is, I believe, my son's bedroom with these double windows. He's definitely going to be able to look outside here. We kind of cleared some of that land. His closet and what you're looking at, what you saw was the media room coming through our grand entrance. Sheesh, that's about 16 feet. Ceilings, you got our breakfast nook. We really didn't pay attention too much to the size here. Now we're gonna have to figure out what size furniture we're gonna put there. Our back patio. You're gonna have a back patio here, a vaulted ceiling, and then that back patio to our master bedroom. Looking at the kitchen, that area right there is going to be where my wife or I'm going to be doing the dishes, looking out. Again, the 5 acres, being able to look out, it's going to be nice and peaceful. These double awning windows coming down this hallway and into the master. We added this fireplace. I added those double doors so you can look out, or we can walk out, have some coffee on the patio. My little closet right there, walking through the master. My sink is going to be, as you enter right there, this is going to be our shower. I believe it's a 5 foot by 10 foot with a rain shower. And we're going to have a lone tub here with a window. I need to figure out how to frost that glass. Not too sure how we're going to go about that, but we'll figure that out. We're going to have dedicated outlets here for my wife's vanity area, my wife's closet. We plan on doing like a California type closet there. Coming back through here, our pantry. Our pantry is going to be pretty good size.
Pretty decent.
Plan on doing some shelving there. Not too sure. Coming through here, we have our laundry. Our laundry is facing the front of the house. We've got some windows where we get some nice natural light and be able to look to see who's at the front porch.
Look outside.
Yeah. So anyway, follow us.